Shall I go to work or not? Ay, trabaho ko eh. Hello mga Inday ug Dudong. I'm Michelle and I'm a Filipina living in Australia. Got up early this morning. I made a breakfast wrap, a wholemeal wrap, eggs, butter and cheese. And I added ham, plus my coffee. Yum, yum, yum. My shift today is from 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Time check, it's 7:30 in the morning. I woke up early and had breakfast with my husband. And this is literally me every morning. I'm not a morning person, so I can feel like my brain is still waking up. Kanang literal jud na nagtanga muna siya ako every morning jud na siya. So this is me on the way to work. Can you see that tree with the purple flower? It's called jacaranda and it's the season for it to bloom. I had a 10:30 a.m. appointment with the flu vaccine clinic in the hospital, so nagdali-dali na ko. So mauna ni siya, nagdali na kog lakaw kay hapit na mag 10:30 po, mga alas 10 na siguro ni siya. So I'll get up here and then I just walk a few steps and I get to the bus stop. Then I just get into the bus and I think 10 to 15 minutes I'm arriving in the hospital. What I like about Sydney also is the public transportation. It is accessible, comfortable, and clean. And it's fast also. So I got out of the bus, I just walked maybe 5 minutes and I arrive in the hospital. First stop is the flu vaccine clinic. Ahay, nawala na sad ko. I got lost but I found it. Ay, kailangan din ako badge, so I got in. Yay! I got in a bit early before 10:30 in the morning. So here I was, anxiously waiting for my flu shot. And oh my god, I saw the spider. I thought it was real. Anyway, I got my flu jab. It was so painful. Hala, sakit kaayo nag-inject ay. I literally saw him like doing dots on my arm. Tapos nag-bleed pa jud akong katong site of injection. Anyway, I had to change so I can get a cup of coffee before work. And here I am, so much energetic pa before work. I still look really fresh. Kay wala pa giyupak sa trabaho, so guwapa pa. This is my second cup of coffee. I am not a coffee person, but I have to drink coffee when going to work. Kay kaning utok sa buntag, mura ni diesel, di jud mo dagan. Dugay kaayo. Time check, it's 11 a.m. And it's showtime! Work, 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 work! Time check, it's break time. It's 2:45 p.m. I got lucky there was still lunch left. Gadali-dali ko because this was just a 20-minute break, my first break. Time check, it's 5 p.m. And now it's time for my second break. Now this is a 30-minute break. And 6:30, I'm out of the hospital. Yay! Survive another day. So excited to get home. Met my husband on the way home. He came from the gym and we had to go to the grocery because I was craving for adobo and pancit and I wanted to cook. So we grabbed chicken and then the noodles. I'll cook all of this for adobo. I went to the Asian section and I found fresh noodles. Barato ra pug kaayo oy, kitag $1 ra ang ilahang noodles. Nga duha na ni siya kapak of fresh noodles. And then we went home and I love the decorations in the mall. It's already Christmas here na. Wala pa gali Halloween. Yay! And we arrived home. I'm so tired now, but I want to cook because I want to eat the adobo and the pancit. And here's the dinner. Yay! And it's dinner time. Time check. It's 8:30 p.m. Spent some time talking with my husband about how our day was. Tapos kani akong ba naganahan kasi adobo pancit. Everyday daw nato dapat namo ni kauno na naunsa. Okay, mga dudong ug inday, thank you for watching. Please click like and follow. Bye-bye.